Busia for video bi security a ohene ba boama na yes video na me che ohene ba boama ya ye ni mo ohene ba boama oye TV presenter wo TV SYZ na ohene ba boama de video bi anase nsem bi beto abonte se abra na omo position juma a odima NDC amanuokuo no na enye asem keto akwa ono eka obi na NDC amanuokuo na aba party anase oba aban mu enso mo ba aban mu no ofre mpanyimfo ko mo mfa ne ko omo ye oman de ama no na NDC fo ahwe ya obestreche size anache se enya asem keto na aba beto abonte se Sammy Gyamfi atoka ama no aba video oye sa video wi na ohene babo ama show video car no na NPP amanuokuo na ko posti de ato omo wa chese omo kan se mebe efa car ohene Sammy Gyamfi ato ama ohene babo ama ene nsema ohene babo ama aso car ya bra ne nsa car no mumi nkuti nsen mu nchim Ayenkasa TV subscribe to my channel like it na for adwenche go comment section kama yakoba de kan obi am brebe.
All right, so Sammy Gyamfi atoka ede ache ohene babo ama. Yes, uhwe mu na so ohene babo ama aba be video bia na order Sammy Gyamfi ase. Na car na ode kire no ena MPP fo kire mu se Sammy Gyamfi ena ato sa Toyota Camry no ede ama ohene babo ama. Before say be ko videos no so no me pese you read we a post on Facebook MPP page we say dache hene bawumia wa kire mu se Sammy Gyamfi dashes radio presenter ohene babo ama with a brand new car as full soldiers continue to wallow in hunger and anger. Na chese omo say Sammy Gyamfi ache ohene babo ama car. I know very well so kai sa journalist we anano na usu say komode no ono no se na katua a oje e wo TV SYZ no eno nko a ntimi nso no di enu nti bra obra ye wo position wa bra na NDC wo power no e wo say NDC mpanyfo no pesi kama no
me ba ye hwan what you say me a politician. You know definitely say me a politician. I am not one of you. I am a media personality. So you have treated me as a media personnel. Media for so de yeti ba bia na se ba bia wo no. Se ho nye da etumi to aso. It is a one day na new media. Sasasi wo hoy, se wontumi wo hoy, MPP for station scatter. No be pedesika mu odro na me hwanto to ya no na ye fan ya why not ada na ni yetire bi di mrika kra na beko na kono makwa ye adwuma nso because as a media personnel me wo yire wo ma ya me ba be kasa wiem wani je na ba nsem na me kokodru fie na me ne me yire ne me ma ye num garia eno nya life eno nya abrabo ne say me free ha me kokodru fie no na me yire ne me manso ani age
nene wo ba bonten a order Sammy Gyamfi ase se Sammy Gyamfi amana koma ato ne yam na abra no order Sammy Gyamfi ase no e no launch ne car ne de kira mansan a che se it is implying ana sa amanfo adwen ayo mo se ene sa branti ya na no su na ni age na order Sammy Gyamfi ase de a ene Sammy Gyamfi na talk car na ensem na ohene babo ama ka se ono no wa bre wa NDC ho no na ye nokre esan se way back 2022 Kevin Taylor mpo eba be posti ye kire mu se Power FM journalist ohene babo ama released from Nsawam prison after serving his jail term. The NDC should bookmark this happening and never let down those like Oheneba who stood with them while they were in opposition when they are given another opportunity to serve in the nearest future. Not just a Kevin Taylor. Way back 2022, and Okacha NDC for say that should be so mobile power. They shouldn't forget Oheneba Boama. It's also Oheneba Boama because of politics are now all year in favor of NDC inti. Ya chene de no konsawom. I'm a kodem. And in this over power, na wudidia, I was so kind of. And in the one, sana no, Oheneba Boama nankasa tnase. Na ohwehwe na brabum no ohun se amanfo bunu kwasea NDC for ebunu kwasea obabe kasamu no obabe kasamu no ena indeed Sammy Gyamfi mo achipi in a support no As at now, he is a happy man. Is answer ne or the video about the 12 and now order Sammy Gyamfi as
me be me kan ho adwuma kakra. Aha. Me be ho adwuma. Obi antia lawyer Sammy Gyamfi ma me. Na won kan che se okumangra. Me da na se papa nyame wonhira no. Na won ye me tough. Iti mabam be me ka tape ho adwuma light one bi wo. Okumangra. Yame ada Roma. What you say? Aha, nti we ni yaba be ye ho adwuma no. E no maba be to aburotu.
so you be a opeso send sika from a broche eba Ghana. Lemfi and the best app to use. It's an Lemfi app no. It has the best exchange rate on the market. And as a CA, ubetimi the Lemfi as send sika directly from your bank account to Dofna or Ghana no. And when here so obeludu wallet and so send sika no. Ubetimi send sika directly from your bank account to Dofna or Ghana no. Lemfi is so US, UK, Canada, and I say Europe. Now the Omo app no make first transaction or cash back after you make your first transaction. Kai say Lemfi has the best exchange rate on the market. And after say ode kai babe chere yi and Sammy Gyamfi receive public backlash. Amanfo drag Sammy Gyamfi. The last time it was Agrada, but then in Nedie Ohinibabuama and Ediakofaba. I almost say 2028 is just about the corner. Just 6 months, Sammy Gyamfi is giving out dollars and cars. Almost 6 months in government, and I know what Agrada dollars. And also what Ohinibabuama Camry. What could you say? That's the question. Ghana food bimo. Besides Sammy Gyamfi. And another comment, almost say, Chairman has finally been sorted out through the gold board budget. Comments where you can clearly see say MPP for no, and Ceciano Omania. Another comment will say, should you mention his name after all he went through in Agrada's hands? Comment will be to me free NDC niho. Or no say after Mia Sammy Gyamfi firm. After so ode sika koma Agrada no. Ni nyina chi no. Won so ba bonten sa wache oka. O pesa manfu didi na tem keka na. Wache wade a ade nti na won na say privately. Na ade beto public. Na manfu ridicule na keke. Another comment or say this skillnet government is stealing from small scale miners to enrich themselves. Their riff-raff media apparatus like this guy is content with cramps. Another comment will say showing into public necessary. Another public insult is coming into Sammy Gyamfi. Or say coming in onto Sammy Gyamfi. I don't know. But then this is what they are saying. I must say I didn't see Sammy Gyamfi achawadi. Now privately one kodana say now the baba to public. Oh yes sir, bema yedi na tem kwa. But then it is interesting. It's say those that we thought were fighting for Ghana, and I just say they be omo abinda da chino. They were actually fighting for themselves. Omwangasa omofu ena no omo dwen ho. It's say NDC ba power. Omunya ade a omo hwehwe no ama omo ni abre. It's say omofu nti na no omo ni abre. And no more criticizing the previous government, not the betterment of Ghana. And this is bad power. Things are going on smoothly, but then these guys are still not happy. It's an so one case or my brabum no or Benyanku be a tansika be show mobutum. But then the interesting thing is this particular guy no, he's not even hiding it. Say journalism now or and in a funtin or only the wajiatum say na a copy dinning now all can be my NDC and it is NDC have a power. Mo munjano hokwa.